watching city lights go by, telling you the stories of the days we used to try. Life can feel so heavy when the nights are cold and long, but every heartbeat whispers that together we stay strong. And when the shadows fall and troubles fill your mind, I'll be right beside you, love. You never left behind. No woman, don't cry. Let the tears fade from your eyes. I'll hold you through the darkest times until the sunrise. No woman, don't cry. We rise steady, you and I. Hope is in the sky tonight, shining soft and bright, shining soft and bright. Yeah, walking through the memories of the roads we used to roam, searching for the courage that would lead our spirits home. Even when the storms roll in and winds begin to sway, your strength becomes the melody that guides me on my way. And if the world gets loud and tries to shake your peace, lean upon my shoulder, love, I'll help your fears release. No woman, no cry. Let the tears fade from your eyes. I'll hold you through the darkest times until the sunrise. No woman, no cry. We rise steady, you and I. Hope is in the sky tonight, shining soft and bright. Hold on, keep your spirit light. Every road turns clear with time. Love will guide us through the night till the morning comes alive. No woman, no cry. Lift your head into the light. Tomorrow's waiting just ahead. Everything's alright. No woman, no cry. Hand in hand we'll unify, stronger than the pain we've known. Together we'll survive. Together we'll survive. Morning light is rising, painting colors in the sky. Cool breeze through the window as the world goes drifting by. Little wings are singing from the treetops up above, telling me the day is blessed and filled with gentle love. So don't you worry now, everything will be alright. Let your heart be steady like the sunrise, shining bright. Don't you worry now, let the troubles fade away. Peace is all around you in the worries fade and fly. Hope is in your heartbeat and the endless open sky. Rise up in the morning with the sunlight on your face. Feel the spirit moving through the rhythm of this place. Every heart is beating like a drum of unity, calling every nation to the pulse of harmony. Lift your hands and let the blessing overflow. Love will guide the people everywhere we go. One fire, one light, let it warm the world tonight. Voices dancing in the sky, singing hope that shines so bright. One fire, one light, let the joy restore our sight. Every soul together now in the glow of love and light. Children on the hillside singing praises in the wind. Echoes of redemption where the healing can begin. Every little moment is a chance to make things new. Feel the spirit rising as the love comes shining through. Let the drums of freedom play from shore to shore. Every beat reminds us what we're fighting for. One fire, one light, let it warm the world tonight. Voices dancing in the sky, singing hope that shines so bright. One fire, one light, let the joy restore our sight. Every soul together now in the glow of love and light. Hey, let the people gather, let the weary hearts be healed. Let the spirit thunder with a truth that's deeply real. Unity forever, let the righteous stand